Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited because I am going to be announcing a new sponsor for not only the M3 but also the ZL1. I have a bunch of boxes in the trunk. This company sent me a pallet full of stuff, and I don't know if you guys have dads that are like this, but my dad literally texted me when the pallet got there and he told me that I have tons and tons of stuff, and it was like some huge pallet and he was being very dramatic. And when I got home, it was literally, I'll insert a picture of what it looked like, but it was literally just like a few boxes on a pallet and he made it sound crazy. So that's my dad for you guys. But here is the trunk full of stuff, and today I do not know what they sent me, so I guess I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys and opening everything up. So I guess let's get right into it. One of these boxes was open, which is interesting because I bet you they opened it at the shop. So now that we have everything unloaded, I guess it is time to officially announce my sponsorship with LiquiMoly. I just want to give them a huge thanks to working with me, and I'm really excited for the videos that are going to be coming with all of their products, so stay tuned for that. Obviously, they most likely sent me oil, no doubt about that, for both the cars, and I don't know what else they sent me, so let's just get to unboxing. I'm going to start with the smallest boxes first to save the best for last. This one's already open, and like I said before, they had delivered this to my shop at home, and with that happening, with all the mechanics there, it's just bound to be opened up and looked into, so I don't think anything got stolen. Okay, so starting off, it looks like we have 4 boxes of the Ceratec, and reading into it, it says reduces friction and wear, yada yada yada, add directly to the motor or transmission, preferably right after an oil change. So it looks like it's just another additive, high-tech ceramic wear protection for engines and manual transmissions. Now I guess let's just move on to the one that's already open again. And it looks like we have 4 bottles of the ATF Top Tech 1800, and this is a transmission fluid. To read a little more into it, fully synthetic, leading edge, high performance, automatic transmission fluid. That was a lot of words in the first sentence. All right, so 4 bottles of that, the transmission fluid. Moving on, I don't think any of these other ones, let's move on to a smaller box. And we have another, it looks like 4, the quantity of 4 is becoming really popular. So we have 4 engine flushes. So in the box we have 4 of these engine flushes, and you just put this puppy in the oil before you do an oil change. So it says on here 500 milliliters is sufficient for 3 to 5 liters of motor oil. After adding product, allow the engine to idle for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the degree of contamination, then change the oil and the filter. So there was that, 4 bottles of engine flush. All right, now moving on, we have another, yet again, 4 bottles of the ATF Top Tech 1850. So it looks like another automatic transmission fluid. Because I asked for both of the cars, for products for both of the cars, that is why we are probably getting different things, as you guys can see. So this is another, yeah, just transmission fluid up, this way up. What could this possibly be? All right, moving on, yet another, oh, we have 3 this time? Okay, so we have 3 bottles of brake fluid. All right, so 3 of those. And mid-filming this, I just want to give another thank you to LiquiMoly, because this is really nice. This is a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh, I completely missed. All right, we have 6 bottles of more ATF Top Tech 1800 automatic transmission fluid. Wait, so that was like, how many was in the other one? 3, so we have 9 bottles of that one. That means the last box has to be engine oil, because what else would it be? All right, so yet again, we have some more transmission fluid. We have ATF Top Tech 1850. And 6 more of these to go with the rest of them. We have the last box, which I am going to assume is oil, because what else would it be? All right, we have 4. I'm assuming it's gonna be 2 of each. Yeah, okay, so we have 5W30, 2 of these. And then we have 2 of the 5W40 engine oils. And you guys, this is kind of exciting because I've never done an oil change on my G80 before since I literally just got it. So this is gonna be my first oil change, and also with LiquiMoly. So that's really exciting. Stay tuned for that. Probably should do that soon. All right, thank you again to LiquiMoly for sponsoring me, and thank you guys, of course, for watching my videos. If you guys have any video ideas or anything, please drop them in the comments down below, because I'm always open to taking suggestions. However, that is it. I have a lot to do this year and a lot to film with these products, so stay tuned for all of that. Bye, guys.